Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy Bitcoin on OnJuno app. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 bonus on setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the Bitcoin icon. On this screen, scroll down a little and you will see the list of cryptos. Tap on Bitcoin. At the bottom right part of the screen, you will see a buy button. Tap on buy. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. Then tap on next. Review the order details. If everything looks good, move the slider arrow to right. Lastly, to confirm your order, enter the verification code sent to your phone number. That's how you buy Bitcoin on OnJuno app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.